Yes, so hi everyone and a warm welcome to our channel. I hope you're doing well. Studies and preparations are being planned for January 26 CA final. So we are here with a very important announcement. I'm starting with a new 100% live batch for CA final in 100% English. This is a practice batch. Now, although many students have already registered, but there were certain queries which are coming in. So I will just take you through those details so that you have a complete clarity. Okay, just give me 7 to 8 minutes, and if you feel that this might be useful for someone else also, some of your friends or known, then please share it with that. Okay, because this is going to be 100% English, especially for you guys. Now, first of all, sir, before starting the details, if I'm a completely new student, like I'm preparing IDT for the first time. I have not done IDT earlier. Can this batch be availed by me? Answer is no. Okay, this is not for first timer IDT who don't know the concepts at all. Okay, so this is primarily for three types of students. We have three categories of students who enroll in our batch. Point number one, category number one is those who have done the classes but their marks were not appropriate, who had given September 25 attempt. Second, appropriate means if you are getting less than 60, because see, 55 to 60 is the minimum score that you should be getting. Beyond that, beyond 70, beyond 80 is somewhere that you also have to put a lot of work. But below 50 is low score for IDT. And getting 60 and getting 60 plus in IDT is something which is doable and which is necessary to have that aggregate in your IDT for your entire group. Now, second category is the self-study students who have done the self-study, but for improvement purposes, Q&A and interlinking purposes, they wish to register for the batch. Because see, regardless of how much effort you have put in, there will be some areas that will come from experience, from dealing with the papers of how they are asked, what things can be twisted by the ICI, some new questions that we frame in the class. So those things help in your understanding. Third is the approach change. Sometimes it happens that you have given your attempt, or you have done your classes but something is not working, and sometimes you just need a fresh perspective. So this practice batch is suitable for that. Okay, there might be some gaps in your understanding, interlinking, so those will be plugged through this particular our batch. So this is your CA final IDT practice batch. Our focus area will be Q&A, Q&A and Q&A. So important Q&A. And one question that comes that, sir, will you discuss just the conclusion part orally, and regardless of what the concept is mixed in? Answer is no. That is not the way question is solved. So whatever the question is there, along with it, it's linked concept. It's linked concept means, for example, there is a question on, let's say, some RCM. Now I cannot discuss just that part. If it is linked to exemption, I will have to cover that. So it's not like we are not going to cover the concepts at all, but we'll be focusing on those concepts which are related in that particular question asked. There are some new MCQs that we focus upon in the class. For every chapter, 8 to 10 MCQs that I will be forming. Those are basically to target untested areas, amendment areas. So something new, just to ensure that what you have covered, are you sufficiently prepared for that particular chapter? So this is a perfect solution to have an increase in confidence, to have an increase in your marks for your IDT. Okay, that is the way this batch works. This would be starting from 10th of November, from Monday. This is going to be live in morning. Okay, so 7:30 a.m. it is going to be starting. So early morning will be free. Okay, balance details you can find on the website. But yeah, this is going to be the morning live batch, and this will end on 30th of November. So approx 20 days, 2 to 2.5 hours every day depending upon the chapter. Approx 45 to 50 hours will be investing together. This will be 100% English, that is for you in the morning. Evening batch is the Hindi English mix batch. Now, what about the price and book? See, this particular price, this was the pre-launch price at 2,999. We have kept it same till 5th of November, so that is till tomorrow. So you can avail this benefit. This will include a physical copy of the question bank as well. Physical copy of the question bank is included in this. For concepts, I would advise that if you have any book, or you have referred to any book in the past, you can keep it the same. You don't have to change the concept book. But if you wish to change, then you can avail it separately from Baby Publication website. Right? So these were the details from my side. We have a feedback. We have the feedback from the last practice batch that we had launched. And I know many students have done this, that earlier they were scoring in the range of a lower range basically, and then they were able to get a better score. So again, I won't say that you have to see this feedback to register. Just see whether you're able to understand how I'm communicating, whether you're able to, that we say na, that you are able to connect with me. So if you're able to connect with me in terms of how I'm taking the lectures, I have uploaded some revision lectures in 100% English. So if you feel comfortable, then you can register. Surely register for the batch, and this will help you to get that edge in IDT. Okay, something might be missing in IDT that can be plugged through this particular initiative that we are taking in 100% English, especially for those students. Okay, so this was all from my side. If you have any query whatsoever, apart from this, if you have any query, just reach out to me on this particular number. Right? I will honestly guide you whether you should be registering for the batch or not. And if interested, do register as soon as possible, because accordingly then the book will be dispatched, and that will take 3-4 days another. So from Monday we'll be starting. First 2 lectures will be available on the my channel itself as a demo. But yeah, offer price is available only till tomorrow. Right? So see you, all the very best. Bye bye.